Good evening, everyone. Again, I'm live once again on Tuesday with my show Open Your Heart with Dr. Arshnur. I am Dr. Arshnur, a parent awakening coach who is committed to rescue youngsters from drug addiction, suicidal tendency, and delinquency. For this purpose, I'm bringing someday some prestigious guests to tell about the problems the people are facing nowadays. So today's guest is Dr. Swati Vyas. So who is serving the senior citizens? So it's really amazing her wonderful contribution to the society. The people who serve the nation for the whole life, why they are getting deprived of some of the special techniques nowadays. So she is bringing them on the platform so that they too should become equipped with the digital world and serve the nation, the world in the same way as they did in the past. So, Dr. Swati Vyas, you are welcome at my show, and I would like to ask you to give your introduction by yourself because it will be great if you say some words about your introduction. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much for coming on my show.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm humbled to be here and thank you for inviting me. So it's a great
Welcome,
pleasure to
dear.
be here and the mission you are on is great. Our youth needs to be saved and that is the power of the nation. So I commend your effort and the mission you are on. So all
And
the best.
similarly, I am because this was a field always neglected because the people are serving the youngsters, the children. Everyone is talking about teenagers, but no one is talking about the senior citizens or the elderly people who are the big assets for a society. So I really appreciate your this concern. And first of all, introduce yourself, Dr. Swati.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It feels good to be heard like that. So I am Swati. I live in Jaipur, Rajasthan. I live with my mother and I have an elder brother. I lost my father 2 years back to a brain stroke. And I am PhD by degree. I am PhD in neuroscience, and I did my PhD even on elderly people. It was on Alzheimer's disease, which is specifically
Oh,
for
good,
elderly. So
great.
from starting, I was inclined towards the problems which seniors face and
Yes.
wanted to do my part in that. Somehow I wanted to contribute in that. So I did my research on that. And from few months I have been working on this because I had solved this problem for my parents, that the problems which everybody in our society, the seniors are facing, because I could solve it to some an extent. I thought, why not I help other people who are like me but they do not have time, or maybe they are not present, maybe they are
Yes.
married, they have kids and other responsibilities, so why not I come up and I help them, and then that way I can help their parents and the seniors of the society so that they don't have to face the challenges entering to a new era.
Awesome. Awesome.
That's about it.
So how are you helping them? The way you
I
are helping them.
Yeah, so the way I help them is to slowly and easily make them understand that this is just a new technique, a new toy to play with. This is nothing to be worried about. And I help them step by step how they can use digital technology to overcome the problems they face in their daily life, such as isolation, so they can be
Yes.
connected with their friends and family. They can do their online banking, their payments, because everything
Hmm.
is going digital nowadays.
Yes.
And yeah, they can order their groceries, their medicines. They don't have to stay on long queues. वो passbook fulfill कराने के लिए you don't have to go to bank every time, you don't have to
Yes.
worry about it. And because especially during the COVID, it really hit people hard, because whoever was not equipped digitally, they faced a lot of problem. Even procuring vegetables and groceries become a difficulty. Also they can do fun things like entertainment, they can read ebooks, they can listen to the books, they can listen to the music, to whatever they like, news and whatever. They just need to know how to do it, and they can easily entertain themselves. So because it's a busy world, everybody is struggling with their own challenges. There happens a lot of time that children really do not have time to spend with their parents. It
Yes,
becomes a
yes,
challenge for them. Either they are in a different city or they're working 24/7, so it becomes difficult. So like,
yes,
it is it should not be responsibility of a child to keep their parent entertained all the time. So they should find something for themselves, and it feels good to be independent and to live with dignity. So
yes,
I just thought that I will help them do these small things stepwise. So I actually help them, and through the visual conferencing, or like on phone calls or something, I help them to go for a particular task. Like if they want to use WhatsApp, they want to use
yes, yes.
Facebook, something like this. So I help them how to do it. And the most important question seniors have using money online is that, is this secure? So I help
Yes,
them
yes.
understand how this is secure, how they can do it, how not to share your passwords with anybody, which what to
Okay.
share, what not to share. So I actually describe them bit by bit, and then I explain them the whole method, and then they can easily do it, because my mother is
So,
doing it herself now.
uh, so I was coming on that, as your mother is also warrior. So she's a breathing warrior. So
Yeah.
really hats off to you and to your mother also. So she is struggling a lot, but still she's proving as a warrior has become a good source of inspiration for a number of people. So can you
Yes.
please tell a bit about your mother's problem, and because it will help many other people also who are feeling depressed of having arthritis, osteoarthritis, or problems like that. So she should become a image, or she should become an example for these people that these are the minor problems and they just leave hope. But she has really proven with her goodwill, or with strong willpower. So she has given the new meaning to the life. So you just
Yeah.
give some description about your mother. Yes.
My mom is always being a strong lady, and that runs in our genes. So was my nanny. So,
And
and my
so
mom.
you too are. You too are.
Thank you, ma'am. So we all are social butterflies. We like to socialize with people and to be around with our family. So, but few years back, my mother started having problem with movement. She was hit with
Okay.
rheumatoid arthritis, and the problem increased day by day. Then she was on
Okay.
continuous medication, and because of one of the medication, or her genetic component, or maybe environment, we don't know the exact reason, but somehow she
Okay.
started feeling breathing difficulties. She could not
Hmm.
breathe on her own. There were times when I actually had to drive her to emergency, like 2 o'clock in the night,
Oh
and there
God.
were multiple episodes like that she was hospitalized again and again, and she could not breathe on her own. So then we had to put her on oxygen support, and it gradually became 24-hour oxygen support. So now currently she is on 24-hour oxygen therapy. She needs an external oxygen support, that is a mask on her. But
Okay.
that was the thing, and the thing was deteriorating. Her health was still deteriorating because it is an strenuous disease. You need
Yeah.
oxygen to live. That is the
Yes.
basic
Yes.
necessity. Na? So because
Exactly.
the oxygen was not going in her body properly, she was facing multiple problems, and coughing
Okay.
vigorously was one of the major problems. She started coughing blood.
Oh my
So
God.
we were very worried. We tried everything: homeopathic, Ayurvedic, allopathic, any treatment we could find, and we used to do it. So
Okay.
my father was dedicatedly taking care of her, and things were happening. But 2 years back, all of a sudden, we lost my father. One fine day, he was just fine. He was doing some work, and he had a brain stroke, and we lost him. He struggled
Very
in
sorry.
hospital for 15 hours, but he could not come out of the ICU. So that hit
Very
us
sad.
hard. Yeah, that's okay, ma'am. It's part of life now.
Hmm.
So that really hit us hard, and my mom saw us sobbing and crying, and she just had that power, that motherly power. She always says that I thought that I don't want to be problem to my kids. I want to be
Okay.
their friend. I want to be their solution. I want to be their
Okay.
power. So then she
Fine.
actually grabbed her all willpower. She gathered everything, and me and my brother, we were in deep swamp at that time, because it was really unexpected. We could not understand
Mm.
what can we do now, because my father was a great support for us. So then she said that no, I will turn my life around. And then, because of her willpower, she actually turned her life around. Her positive attitude is something which I always look up to. And she believes that her power of spirit is not bound by any body or any mind, it's beyond that.
Okay.
She believes
So
in
I
that. And
want, Swati, here want to tell one thing to the people, that the people who do not value their life, they are committing suicide, they're going into drug addiction, they are just spoiling their life. See the
yes,
inspiration of these people who are struggling a lot, who lose everything, even the oxygen, which is the biggest part, are the freely available in the atmosphere. So the person is not able to breathe him by himself. So see the agony of that person, see the trouble of that person. But again, the strong willpower and zeal to live and to become a support for the children is really admirable thing for for me about your mother, and I adore her from the core of my heart. So I wish everyone should get inspiration from Madhuji and should value their life. Thank you so much, dear, to tell me about your mother like this, because she's become a strong inspiration for a number of people nowadays. So now,
yes.
yes, continue. How you turn towards helping the senior citizens then? So one is your mother at your back; she's supporting you. And apart from that, how it came to your mind that you should make the people digitally equipped?
Ma'am, supporting seniors in whichever way we can was always on my mind, because this is what I saw my parents doing all their life.
Okay,
My parents really took good care of my grandparents, my nani, nana, my dadi, dada, and that was something which was embedded in our culture. So it was always something on my mind. But what happened is, after my father retired, I could see him living with no purpose in life. It becomes
okay.
difficult when a person who is working 24/7 and one
Hmm.
sudden day he retires from the job, and what to do now, what next. So I helped
Yes.
him to get acquainted with the mobile phones and tabs. We got him a tab. He used to do it.
Okay.
He used to like few things. He was a spiritual person, so he used to like bhajans and different satsang. So he used to do that on mobile and TV. So that's how I started thinking of, why not give this power to everybody, because they have plenty of time on their hand now, and how can they
Yes.
creatively use it, because they have a wisdom of 60 years with themselves. They have lived
Yes.
their
Yes.
life. They have that power within them.
Exactly. Yes.
So how
Yes.
can I help them? So I thought I can help them to know the new technology. It's just a new toy to play with. And जैसे हमें वो बचपन में सिखाते थे कि ABCD कैसे बोलना है, बस हमें भी पेशेंटली उनको बताना है. So
That's
that is how
really great.
that came to my mind, that why not I help other people to do this, what I did for my parents. And
Very, very
eventually
good.
I helped my other relatives also to get online, to make their Facebook accounts, to play Candy Crush. So my mother and my aunt, they ran a marathon of games. And that's
Okay.
how,
Good.
so there is a new thing to talk about, something new.
Okay.
Either they will crib or criticize somebody. It's a better
Yes.
way to, they can live positively, they can look forward to something. There is a healthy competition, so they're doing
Exactly.
things, they like it. So I thought, why not share it with everybody.
I really appreciate this thing, and the old age, which is earlier considered as the age of curse, because these people are deprived of everything, so they do not have this society, as these people are no more working. They are in the social, physical, mental, economical, and emotional crisis. So you have
Yes,
really turned this age into the blissful life. So this is for everyone, that they should not lose hope in the old age, and they should not get scared to be old, because the
yes,
old age is the best life, I guess, in one's whole life. So they should
Yeah.
value and they should not get disheartened by getting old. As you have really turned these people into hopeful era or the hopeful journey. So I wish that it should be continued in the similar way. What plans have you thought for the future then? So what
Ma'am,
type of efforts you're going to do in the future?
yeah, so the thing is that it is estimated by 2026 there will be 173 million elderly people in India, and
Okay,
it comes around 21% of the total population of India.
okay,
So,
that's
so
great.
like you are working on youth, and youth is a big chunk of the current population. So is elderly, and
Yes,
why to not utilize them in a proper way? So, what I thought is they can actually solve their two main problems in life. One
okay,
is economical, because many of people are not on retirement plans. They do not have enough savings, and money is always good to earn. Why not to earn it?
yes,
Be it any
yes,
age.
yes.
So वो बोलते हैं ना कि घर आती लक्ष्मी को कौन मना करता है.
Uh,
So that is a good thing to do, and you will feel good about yourself. It's not about them. If you are well to do, no problem. Earn more money and donate. What is the harm
okay.
in that? So I
And
think they
serve the
can,
society.
yeah, they can solve their economical problem, and they can solve their emotional problems. So what
Yes,
happens is, because of the loneliness and isolation, they gradually get into depression, and they sometimes don't even know it. They think this is how it
yes.
is. लगता है लाइफ
Uh,
है, ऐसे ही होता है, सबको अपना अपना काम है, अब हमारा तो यही जीवन है, हमें अकेले ही रहना है. So
mhm.
they didn't even realize, and they are dragged into the dark zone of depression. And this
Yes,
is not how life is. I believe in that aging is inevitable. You cannot stop it.
yes,
And why not then age gracefully? So if the
yes,
show must
exactly.
go on, why not enjoy it? Why not buy a
Yes, yes,
popcorn and just enjoy it?
yes,
So
exactly.
the plan is to help people either by one-on-one coaching, group coachings. Eventually, I'm planning to build a community. I'm already working on it. I have a Facebook group where people can come and they can interact with each other. They can have meaningful conversations with like-minded people of their age, their interests, because as the generation changes, the interest and the likings and the things which stick together, they change. Everybody wants to be in their own tribe. It feels good to be with somebody who's like you.
Yes,
Every
yes,
tortoise is looking for another tortoise, because when it comes a rabbit, they think that it's a race,
yes, yes,
so they feel good when they see another tortoise. So why not meet other people who are just like them, who have their
mhm.
interests, and they have something common
Exactly,
to talk. So their
exactly.
challenges are same and their experiences are same. So why not? So I'm building a community. Maybe in future, when COVID era is solved and something happens, we can even arrange for a physical get-togethers, a club or something like that, so that they can get together and enjoy. But why not have the second best thing? So what I'm doing right now is I'm having virtual meets with them, and
Okay,
I help them to connect with everybody they want, or to solve their online banking and things like that. If they want to learn new things, then I help them with them. So that is the plan. That's how it goes.
so you feel that the change is required now. So change is considered to be the beautiful thing, and change is always sweet. So you are
Change
bringing a change. What
in
type of
nature.
change are you bringing? Yes, fine. What type of change are you bringing in the society?
I i want to see people aging gracefully.
Yes,
They should always have that twinkle in their eyes, because nothing in the nature retires till the day they die. Lion never stops hunting till the day
good.
he dies.
Yes,
So you cannot ask an elephant to not eat grass. It will. So you cannot say a person that they are no longer required. They are
yeah,
required. They are a living
yes,
entity. They are energies. So they are definitely required, and that's how the balance of the nature is maintained.
yes, yes.
So the change will come because the what I like to say is power of gray hair. So I want people to realize the power of gray hair and claim their
Mhm.
throne back, to be to be the person they are, unapologetically and without any stops in their life. Nothing
Good.
retires. So they should have never retire with life.
Exactly, because they serve the nation, the younger young generation for the whole of
Absolutely.
the life. Why they were there deserted in the last phase of their life? And these
Absolutely.
people are full of potential. They have they are the no, they are known as the powerhouses or the wisdom houses. So we
Yes.
should get education. We should get their experiences, utilization of that. Why we are leaving these people unattended? So, what you
Yes.
feel that the major complaints of these people when they are talking to them? So, what major complaints they have for the society or about the children?
Ma'am, what happens is that if we take it as a balance, so there is a provider and there is a receiver. So the
Yes.
provider was providing all the life, and the receiver was receiving it. Now, as
Yes.
the age progresses, the roles are reversed. So then
Okay.
it becomes really difficult for your ego to understand that the things have reversed now. When the provider becomes the receiver, it becomes difficult for him to acknowledge that change and to accept that the times have changed. Or what happens is that when you sometimes don't know something, or you feel that it is difficult for you to grasp, you sometimes feel that somebody might make fun of you. So why
Yeah.
to admit it? Why to admit it?
To,
Why
to
not
judge
just
it.
say, why not just dismiss it altogether? So what happens is, instead of having a curious mind towards new things, sometimes I've observed that people say ये सब चीजें तुम्हें बिगाड़ देंगी, ये हेल्थ के
Hmm.
लिए बुरी है, the radiations will kill your brain cells,
Hmm.
or this technology has made children go bad with their parents. But these are all myths. This does
Okay.
not have to do anything with technology. This is just a generational gap. So I feel that when I deal with such people, I help them change their mindset first, because nothing will help, no technique and trick and technology will help them if they keep fixated on their mindset. So because everything is changing, you will have to adapt and you will have to change your mindset, and then you can acquire new things and you can enjoy them as well.
Yes.
So
Yes.
I can do that. And the main problem is, हमारे जमाने में तो ये होता था.
Ah,
So
exactly. I wanted to say. Say
the
this thing
point,
that these
you
were.
want me to say that हमारे जमाने में ये होता था, आप खुद एग्री कर रहे हैं कि आपका जमाना चला
Ah,
गया है.
ah,
Why
ah.
are you agreeing
Are
to it? It's your zamana, you are living in it, and
are
you
they
are
ready to
the,
change?
huh?
Are they ready to change? Are
Yes,
these
they,
people ready to change?
it's not about changing, ma'am. It's, I call it adapting. And yes,
Okay,
they
that's
are
good.
adapting. And because adapting is the only way to survive. This is how we have evolved. From a bacteria, we became a human being because of the adapting quality that we have. So this is how we rule this planet. We are not definitely the most powerful animal on this planet, but yet
Exactly.
we rule this planet because we are adaptable and we are agile and we have a consciousness. So that
Hmm.
is the only thing. And yeah, people are adapting, they're coming towards. And because of the COVID, actually it became a mandatory thing to do.
Ah, yes,
Also, the
yes.
government is emphasizing a lot about digitalization. So it is becoming a daily necessity. It is no more roti kapda makan. It is roti kapda
Uh-huh.
makan internet now.
Net now. Yes, yes.
Yeah, you cannot live without a mobile phone and internet. It is an integral part of your body now. It is
Yes.
it is a new organ now. You cannot live without it. So
So one
if
thing more. Uh, so why every generation is criticized by the previous generation? As it's our generation, so you are very young to me. If I talk about my earlier generation, so they criticize us, and our generation that is criticizing the younger one. why every generation is criticized by the earlier generation? What are the
That
reason and how this
that is
gap
a
will be
very
fulfilled?
beautiful question. That is a very beautiful question, ma'am. And I think about it a lot. What I feel is we always look at a person with the label that society has given it. Like, if I
Okay.
see my mom beyond being my mother, if I see her as Madhu Vyas, what Madhu really is, if I try to focus on that instead of looking at her all the time as a mother, because if I see her as a mother, it will bother me every time I take care of her because my mind is trained to be taken care by her,
Yes.
so it becomes difficult. So first of all, we have to make that change within ourselves. We should, it's not about any particular generation. I would say everybody should look at another individual as an individual rather than the relationship you have that with that person or the
Okay.
judgment you make by their appearances. And once you do that, you will feel that okay, आप अगर अपने पेरेंट्स का बिहेवियर देखेंगे, you will realize from where they have come. They have come from a post independence era. Economy was
Yes.
down, everything was
Yes.
disrupted, there was no organization, things were new. We were slaves for 200 and more years, and
Yes.
being free was a new thing to do. सो इट वॉज डिफिकल्ट फॉर देम. उनको यही पता था ऑर्डर मिलेगा, पूरा करना है. दिस इज हाउ दे वर बॉर्न. And it was difficult. They did not have food, they did not have good hygiene and economy. So this is how they are. Still my parents feel very amazed when I order something on online. My father used to say, अभी तो बात की, अभी तुमने ऑर्डर भी कर दिया, इतना क्या जल्दी है, पहले देख तो लो, गलत सामान आ गया तो, पैसे किसी ने चुरा लिए तो. This is how they work. I cannot be angry on him all the time because I have to understand where he coming from, and so does
Mindset.
he. And what happened was that this generation is known as baby boomers because the population rapidly increased after that. So this is the population responsible for the increased generation of the current population of India. So they are known as baby boomers. And what happened was because they were in such a deprived condition, they made sure that their kids have everything they could. And
Yes.
because the
Yes.
economy was rising, so when I was born, I had my own home. I had all the facilities, TV, fridge, cooler, every technological aspect was there. So I am born that way. So for me, money was not a difficulty. So I am
Mhm.
easy with money. I can spend money, but my parents cannot do that. So they should also understand that because they provided me that environment, I am like this. And the
Okay.
generation next to me, like I see my friends, kids, and everything, they are something on altogether on a different level. If you talk
Yes.
something, they will just come with their mobile phone. Marcy, here is the fact. Don't try to fool us. Google told us everything.
Okay.
So
Okay.
they are beautiful kids, like 3 year, 4 year old people. They are coding. They are learning coding now. They are drummers. They are swimmers.
Yes.
They are doing everything which is possible. You just give a task to a kid that you have to edit this video. He will do it somehow. You will have to go and learn somewhere and do a coaching and something like that. That person does not need it. He is a
This.
generation who is born with mobile phone in his hand. So definitely
Mhm.
for me it is difficult because when I was a kid, I could not imagine talking to another person in a distance. There was
Yes.
phone
Yes.
and words, and we used to go and call. We used to wait for our daddy's call for like hours that he will call someday. Every evening we used to go and wait कि वो 7 बजे phone आएगा. So that
Okay.
was the generation. So this is the thing. So the only suggestion I have to say is, let's see the person beyond his labels, his or her labels, the label which the society or you have given her. And when
Atmosphere. The atmosphere
you,
in which is grown up. The
yeah,
atmosphere in which he's grown up, actually, that is affecting his personality. What I feel. As you're
yeah,
talking about that at the time of your parents or even my parents, so they were deprived of all these facilities. They did not have even telephone. They did not have TV or anything. But when they
hmm,
were grown in this atmosphere, so then I really easily adapting to the new facilities or the new equipment. So that is actually impacting their personality, and this is a major reason of criticism, what I feel.
एक पर्सन की पर्सनालिटी 4 साल से 14 years के बीच में डेवलप हो जाती है.
हाँ,
आप हमेशा एक
अच्छा,
पर्सन को देखिए कि जब वो 4 to 14 वाले फेज में था तो वो कौन से एरा में था और उस
हाँ,
समय
हाँ,
उसकी कंडीशंस क्या थी, और वो राइट नाउ वैसे ही बिहेव करेगा. जो उसके इनर इंस्टिंक्ट्स होंगे वो वैसे ही होंगे. So
हम्म,
some people are very savvy. I must say that some people are very tech savvy. Like my mother, she is always
हाँ,
curious about knowing new things. She is not afraid of doing online transactions. She is smart enough. She tries with small amount, then she gains confidence. Then she goes for a bigger amount. So she is tech savvy and she loves to learn new things. But that was not the case for my father. He wanted to sail on the safe zones. So
okay,
it is choice of an individual. You cannot get angry on them, and definitely they will not understand it for the first time. So the way I actually go with this thing is I actually write everything down. Even the
okay,
smallest step, I write it. I have a notebook, a big notebook with me. I write every step for my mother, and so I do the same thing for everybody I deal with. I write
good,
a small step, I record videos, I give it to them. Still, they ask 100 questions. I patiently answer them because I understand that when I was growing up, I was learning a new language. I asked 1000 questions and I did numerous mistakes. So it is just
good,
this.
excellent.
Everybody is learning a new thing. So it is just the matter of time that they will be tech savvy, but we have to be patient. And I understand many people are not able to do it. So if they are not able to do it, then I step in there. I am offering my services. I offer my time to them. Like if they're busy with their time, that I can help their parents or their elders. This is how I work.
Excellent. Excellent. So, what message you want to give to the new generation? So, in which way, as you're patiently handling these people, what I feel this is the missing nowadays. No one has patience, and that is one of the biggest reason that the people are going into depression, and there are lots of psychiatric problem with these people. So, how to deal with this, and what message you want to give to the new generation? Because these people are also lack of patience, so they're not listening to anyone. So what should be done? What message you want to give the new generation so that the elderly people should live this life with grace?
Yeah, the only thing which the practical thing I can suggest is mark and time on your calendar every day or every two few days to talk to your parents.
Good.
So you should, because your boss needs your time, your children need your time, your eating needs your time, your wife needs your time, your husband needs your time, your boyfriend needs your time, then why not your parents? So
Exactly.
why don't
I
we
really
keep
appreciate. It's really
why don't we
wonderful.
keep all time like 10 minutes, 20 minutes? I think 10 minutes everybody can spare in a day. So nobody is
Okay.
actually, instead of scrolling through the Facebook feeds, why don't you keep a calendar and why don't you keep a time for your parents, like 9:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. I will talk to my mother or I will talk to my father. Why don't you do it?
Good.
And once you do it, this will actually solve a lot of things, a lot of communication gap and understanding. And if you feel कि मैं बात क्या करूं मम्मी पापा से, अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है, so then the simplest tip is try to know them as a person. Ask them what is their childhood memory, what they used to love as they were kids. Try to understand what kind of mentality they are coming with, how they used to feed you, how did they manage to pay your school fees, how did they manage
Hmm.
to bring you those beautiful color box when they had no money in their pockets, how did they do it? Just try to understand. And I'm sure कि एक दो बार हो सकता है आपके पेरेंट्स आपको मना भी कर दे, बिकॉज उनके लिए भी एक नया एक्सपीरियंस होगा. जो
हाँ.
पर्सन से आंखें ही नहीं उठाता है वो अचानक से आज मुझसे बचपन की बातें पूछ रहा है तो मुझे भी लगेगा ऐसे क्या हो गया, आर यू ड्रंक?
Hmm.
But if you keep practicing it, if you keep on practicing, this will come. And because I did it after I moved back to Jaipur after my masters. I came back to Jaipur, and after that, I used to talk a lot with my parents, and I realized what a beautiful person they are, and what मतलब
Oh.
ऐसे मनोहर मनोहर कहानियां लगती हैं कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं था. How you
Ah.
used to. So it will be like an, I believe that world is a big library and everybody is a walking book. So just
Yes.
have that attitude in your mind. Talk to your parents. Make sure that they feel that you love them. Show your love.
Value them.
Express yourself. Because I'm sure कि वो चाहे रेसिप्रोकेट कर पाए या ना कर पाए एक्सप्रेस करके, बट उनको सुन के अच्छा बहुत लगेगा. And somehow they will understand what's happening with you. They will understand that you are also growing as a person. So that will also give you a good feeling, because having connected to your roots is the best feeling one can have. A plant flourishes to the best when it's in sync with the roots. So when you
Good.
will be in sync with your roots, you will flourish in your life. In every aspect of your life, you will flourish. Once you start giving fertilizer and water and love and care to your roots, and that is your parents and elderly. Talk to your grandparents. Don't make fun of them if they don't understand
Mm.
anything. Just give them time. Just understand why they are not helping. Try to solve a problem. Take it as a puzzle. Try to solve it as a problem. Because I am a scientist, I take everything as an experiment. So
Okay.
I just try another different ways to tell my mother the same thing. And then I see what things she is able to understand easily and what she is feeling difficult. Whenever she
Good.
feels lost, I try to figure out why she is feeling lost. I realized recently that her eyesight is weak. So no
Okay.
matter how much I write, she cannot see the digits on screen. So then I bought her a big lens. Now she uses that lens and then she sees it. Now she can do it. So just try to
Good.
be a problem solver, try to be part of the solution, and make sure that you express your love to your parents and mark a time on your calendar each day for them. That is the thing which I can say from my side.
Thank you so much for this wonderful conversation. Hope this will help number of people for watching this show. And thank you so much to be my wonderful guest today.
Thank you,
So
ma'am.
thank you, viewers. Thank you, audience. Thank you, viewers. So this was all about Dr. Swati Vyas. Today she shared a valuable experience with us, and hope this will help number of people. So now this is the end of today's show. I thank all who watched this show, and next time, next week, the same time, I'll be there with the again the same show. Open your heart with Dr. Arshnoor. Thank you so much for watching this. Thank you.
Thank you so much for inviting me. Thank you all the viewers for watching
Thank you,
me.
dear. So it was really splendid information you shared with the viewers. Thank you,
Thank
dear.
you.
Thank you so much.
Good night.
Good night. Good night.